Hi guys, how you doing? We're gonna do some Bitcoin technical analysis just to continue from yesterday, because Bitcoin prices moved up and everybody became really bullish, saying we're gonna go to 12, 13, 14,000 and so forth, while I've been saying we are definitely going down, and I'm still sticking with my guns. So we're gonna just look at where the price is now, why I'm still saying it's gonna go down, and the standings on it. We are looking at the CME future chart here. We are not looking at Binance, Bitfinex, Bitmain chart, because all of those charts have broken both the resistances and moving averages and are just mooning, to say the least. But I believe the CME future chart is the one that we have to follow, and that's what we are gonna do. On the CME future charts, we got a huge RSI divergence. See here, and then here, RSI divergence, and this is the RSI divergence that we have to correct, and that's my biggest take on this. That the reason we have to go down is because I have RSI divergence. We also have the CME futures gap, but let's assume there is no gap here, and just assume that we have to correct RSI divergence, because the gaps can take like a while to close. I mean, the price can go up to 300,000 and then back to 10,000 and then close it. So right now we got some support line here, right? This is some kind of support line, and then we got some kind of a resistance line. First of all, there was a triangle here that everybody was watching, right? And once we broke the triangle, especially on all the other charts, that doesn't matter, people became really bullish. But I mean, this is technical analysis, and you can be as artsy and creative as you want to be, you know. So I'm gonna say there's another triangle here that we have to take into account, and that's this one. We're gonna say this is the triangle because it hits some kind of support lines over here, and that became resistance line over here. Now you have a nice new triangle, so we're gonna use this as a benchmark for further testing and see if we can get down out of this triangle down to below 9.6, close the gap, and below 9 or whatever, and correct the divergence in RSI. Now it stopped here, and it stopped. This is CME future, so it doesn't trade on the weekends, right? So right now it's closed, but look where it closed. You see this yellow line? That's the 50 moving average, and it closed below 50 moving average. On all the other charts, Binance chart, BitMEX, Coinbase, Bitfinex, it broke above the 50 moving average, and now it's moving further up. But on CME future charts, it didn't, and that's really good, because right now we are moving between the 20 and the 50 moving average, and we are gonna get the squeeze, and I believe we are gonna either get out of the 20 moving average or out of the 50 moving average, and I'm betting on 20 moving average. I'm betting on the downside because of the RSI divergence and because of the gap. I'm betting we're gonna get on the bottom side. But this is the ascending triangle, so I mean, it can happen. So right now I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying it we're gonna go up, we're gonna go down. I feel like we have to go down, but then I cannot say for sure we're gonna have to go down. Okay, that's the video for today. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you tomorrow.